Hi guys, so it's been a very long time since I've done a makeup video. So today I'm going to create this look for you guys, which is a very elegant and beautiful makeup look. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, I'm going to moisturize my face using the Pack Makeup Moisture Lotion, and this is so good that it has been my staple for almost like 6 months straight. Moving on, I'm going to prime my face using the Pack Pore Primer. For my foundation, today I am going to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC37. And for concealer, I am using the PAC Takeover Concealer Crayon in the number L11, and I am very generously going to apply it all over my face. I am going to blend the concealer in using patting motion so that I can get maximum coverage out of concealer. Now to cream contour my face, I am using the Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation Stick in the shade 7 Toffee Chisel. This one is very pigmented and a little goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot of it. Now to set my concealer, I am using this yellow powder from the NYX Highlighter and Contour palette. Moving on, I am going to bronze my face using the Savannah Colors Bronze Professional. This one is also very pigmented. For my blusher, I am using these two pink blushes from my Freedom Blush palette, and I am going to apply a little more than what I would use usually. I am going to use the PAC translucent powder to clean the contour and give it a sharp edge. Now to the best part, which is the highlighter. I am using the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals, and this is damn gorgeous. Now to set everything in place, I am using the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. Moving on to the eye makeup, today I am going to use my Huda Beauty Rose Gold eyeshadow palette. So first I am going to warm up my crease and outer corners using sandalwood. Then I am going to intensify the outer corners using the shade Cocoa. I am also going to apply both the brown shades on my lower lashes. For my eyelid, I am using the shade #blessed all over my eyelid, and it is a textured eyeshadow and it's beautiful. I am going to make a very long wing eyeliner using my Nykaa Black Magic eyeliner. And then I am going to tight line my upper and lower waterline using the Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. Moving on, I am going to coat my eyelashes using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and after that I am going to curl my eyelashes so that it's easier for mascara to hold the curl. Now I am going to add false eyelashes in the number 53 by PAC. And I am also going to do my eyebrows off the camera using the Colourpop Brow Cream in the number Black and Brown. I am going to apply the same highlighter into my inner corners and as well as on my brow bone. I am also going to use the Colourpop highlighter in the shade Lunch Money over the tops of my cheeks and on my nose. So for lipstick I am using the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick, and I am not sure about the shade, so I am going to mention it in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. So that's it for this makeup look. If you like it, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification button so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Bye bye, I'll see you in my next one.